Being able to arbitrarily combine and overlay widgets atop one another is simple in Flutter using the stack widget. But how do you position those widgets in a stack? There's a couple of ways you can do this, and one of them is to use a positioned widget. You know, for positioning things, which is kind of self-explanatory when you think about it. So how does positioned work? First, let's wrap a widget in a stack with a positioned widget. Then, use a combination of the parameters top, bottom, left, right, height, and width to position the widget within the stack. Here, we see a widget placed 25 down from the top and 50 in from the left. And here, we have the widget placed at 25 from the right and 50 up from the bottom. You can use height and width to control the size of the positioned widget. And one last tip, you can use positioned.fill to make the widget fill the stack's space. For more info on positioned and stack layout, head on over to flutter.io.